back to my channel. I have another unboxing for you. Today we have the monthly ASOS Beauty box, which is this one. This box usually released on the ASOS.com website in the beginning of the month. This is not a normal subscription. If you find it, you buy it. This month it was sold really quick. Usually it is released around 2nd or 3rd of the month, but this month it was sold in like a couple of hours, I think. Okay, my little one is here around me, so you can, if you hear some noise, don't mind her. The total price of the box, it is £12 per month plus shipping, which is £3. The box contains 6 products. Sometimes they have even full-size products. Sometimes, like it is this month, there are only traveler size products. And there are some months when they are releasing special edition boxes. Like it was in November when they had a wonderful beauty box in collaboration with Bobbi Brown, and I heard that a couple months ago they had even a clinic box. So yeah, they have special edition boxes. Those are £15 per month, but a normal beauty box, it is £12 plus shipping, which is £3. I would like to remind you also that I have a open giveaway. I will list it here on the description box. You still have the time to enter until the 18th of December. You will have all the conditions linked down below. If you are wondering what I'm wearing today, I'm wearing the Naked 2 eyeshadow palette, but I was speaking on my Christmas wish list. Also, I will link that video down below. And this wonderful shade selection. On my lips, I'm wearing this lipstick from Sephora that I had on Sephora favorites box that I showed you in my Black Friday sale. On my cheap nails, I have the OPI called Do You Have This Color in Stockholm? And accent nail, it is this Charge Up Sherry, because I have also a accent nail. And the glitter, it is also from OPI, When Monkeys Fly. So yeah, those are all the nail polish combination that I'm wearing today. This is purple on the bottle, however I see that on the camera it looks blue. Returning to the box, so for this month the theme, it is ASOS Travel Essentials box. So I remember 1 or 2 products since the time I ordered it, and I'm really excited for those. So without any other blah blah, let's start and open it. So you have inside this card. All of them looks like they are mini size version. Okay, no whole bag, no problem. Whatever you are jetting off to Tulum for 2 weeks or popping over to Paris for the weekend, we've got you covered with all the mini travel essentials your body needs to sparkle this summer. This summer? I'm looking outside and it's winter. After a day by the pool, rehydrate with a few drops of Emma Hardy Facial Brilliance Oil. Oh yeah, now I remember. Okay, so this is the Emma Hardy oil. So you have here a special dropper. I have this kind of dropper on one of my vitamin D bottles that I'm giving to my children. So yeah, oh, it's really nice, pleasant smell. So this how much it is? 5 ml. Okay, so first item is Emma Hardy Facial Brilliance Oil. Back with Glam Glow Thirst Mask. Okay, I had this mask in full size and I really enjoy it. Here we have 15 grams, and I remember it was also, yeah, it has vanilla scent. So it looks like this. It's not the one that it's really peeling, but it's a really hydrating type of mask. So I remember I was enjoying this, and also I had the cleanser from the same range. Treating your looks with Quai Rose Hair Oil. So the third product is Quai Rose Hair and Body Oil. 9.2 mils. Of course, all of them are travel size. This is the theme of the box, so we are not expecting any full size product for this month. Okay. Whew. The scent is really sweet and fresh, a bit fresh on the same time, and it's not greasy. It is absorbing really fast in the skin. So yeah, this is for hair and body. Okay, so I can put something on my hair right now. Yeah, so I will definitely take this with me in vacation, especially for seaside, because I don't have such a small travel size oil, and when I go to the sea in the summer I really need some oil to hydrate my hair. So yeah, I'm really excited for this one. When the sun sets, get that sun-kissed no makeup look with Touch and Soul Problem Primer and Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So let's take the No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. This is 3 mils. I never had anything from this brand. So this is how it looks. It's more jelly, doesn't seem to have any silicone fill. Yeah, and it looks mattifying, and somehow it's blurring the pores. This I will let you know, because I have problems with large pores for sure, and I will let you know if it's really helping or not. So the fifth item and the most wanted item, I think this one made the box to be sold, and maybe the Glam Glow mask. It is the Better Than Sex mascara. I will not open this only from the reason that I have already 4 or 5 mini travel size mascara that I have opened, so I need to finish. But I think everybody knows how it is this mascara performing. It is a favorite of many people. I had it on the full size and I wasn't so impressed. I like the wand. I like that it gives volume and length. But what it was not helping for me, that it was smudging under eyes. So I also heard many people, they were saying that the travel size version is better than the full size. So I'm really curious to see if this is the case or not. This contains 4.8 grams. So I will just pop up here on the corner how the wand looks like, for those of you who don't know or doesn't remember. So yeah, I'm really excited for this product. And the last product, it is from, and finish with a spritz of Rodial Dragon's Blood Tonic to lock in that moisture. So, ready to take off? Yeah, yes, so contains 15 ml, and I'm really happy that I have, finally I have a spritz tonic product, because sometimes I don't have around me any cotton pad, so this you yeah, so you see? I will apply a bit now, because from this reason I'm skipping toner, just because I forget about this step in my routine. But if this is spritz, then for sure I will use it. So we have 6 products for this month's box. We have Emma Hardy facial oil, we have a body and hair oil, Glam Glow mask, Better Than Sex mascara, and the toner. So, and I forgot, of course, I forgot the primer. I couldn't be more pleased for this month box for £12, for £15, because this month I didn't bought anything. I forgot to tell you that if you spend on their site over £25, then you'll have free shipping. However, this month I didn't want to spend anything else because I was already spending too much on Black Friday sales and also some other orders that I placed online. So I just stick to this box and I pay for the shipping. So the shipping, it is free if you spend over £25, or if you are in UK and you buy the £10 per year subscription for the shipping. So those being said, I'm really happy with what I got for this month, and I hope next month the box will be long time available on their website, so more people can enjoy those products. So being said, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to enter my giveaway and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.